Operation method. 1. With tissue forceps, pull skin edges together. Evert and approximate skin edges. 2. Position the skin stapler over the center of the everted skin edges. Skin stapler should be vertical to the target skin surface. 3. Squeeze the handle fully until the motion is halted. 4. Release handle fully to achieve staple release. Removal of the staples. 1. Insert the bottom part of the staple remover underneath the staples. 2. Squeeze the handles of remover to reform the staple until handles are firmly closed. 3. Always ensure staple is completely reformed before lifting stapler remover from skin. For more information about CITEC Disposable Skin Stapler, please refer to the instructions for use or CITEC website at www.citec-group.com.